Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming the prescriptions and labels for Livcon and Assicon. This prevents mix-ups. Once done, gather a calibrated oral syringe or measuring cup. Make sure it is clean and dry, because accuracy matters. Read the patient leaflet for each bottle to understand indications and warnings, and check expiry dates. This explains why timing and storage affect potency and safety. If anything looks off, stop and contact the pharmacy before proceeding. You now move to administration. Shake suspensions well to ensure even concentration, because uneven mixing changes effect. Use the supplied measuring device. Calibrated syringes reduce error. Draw the liquid and place it against the inner cheek, then depress slowly for controlled swallowing. Make sure to follow general timing. If the leaflet mentions with or without food, stick to that, because absorption can change. Keep notes of times you gave each syrup to avoid double dose. You finish by securely recapping each bottle and storing them exactly as labeled. Temperature affects stability, so follow instructions. Clean the measuring device, then record the time and amount given so you can track response and avoid overlap. Monitor the person for expected improvement and any adverse reactions. If you notice unusual signs or worsening, stop administration and seek medical advice promptly, because early action prevents complications. If uncertain at any step, consult the prescriber or pharmacist.
Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.